Alright guys, got this cake by Pyro Demon, kick ass. Got it from Bada Boom. 12 shots. Seen a video of this cake and it actually looks really cool for a small 200-gram cake. It does kick ass. Alright, before shooting this off, I wanted to show you guys the inside and take the lid off. Straight up and down, cake, 12 shots. These mortar sizes are actually pretty big. It's 1.25 inches. It's like 1.25 inches. Yep. 1.25 inches. Just about. Let's check it out. Alright, kick ass. Pyro Demon. 12 shots. Let's check it out.
I got hit. Yeah. That one was nice.